Hi everybody, Mr. Kurtz here. It's June 1st, so welcome to June. It's almost summer, although it's kind of felt like we've been on a break for a while now. Hopefully you guys are well, you're doing okay. These are some unsettling times with so much uncertainty and chaos going on. I just want to remind you we do have guidance counselors. If anybody would need to talk to anybody about anything, you can contact the school or reach out to me. I can get you in touch with them. There's a lot of negativity everywhere you look these days. So if you need somebody to talk to, reach out and I'll get you in touch with the people you need. We have 2 weeks left, and this week will be a 4-day week, with Tuesday being an in-service day for teachers. So I'm just going to assign you the amount of work I think would take you the 4 days. But as always, I'll give you through Sunday to complete that work. The first assignment is a carryover from last week. I have it on the screen now, your articles. My suggestion last week was to do one per week. So if you've done one, you got that saved, that's great. Do another one this week. If you want to get them out of the way, get all 3 done and submit them to me. Remember that you just follow the instructions here. It's in a folder called Service Learning Articles 3. Final Service Learning Articles, and then remember to open up the front page that has the questions, the prompts, and then choose 3 of the articles from this document here. Alright, so that should take you a day, maybe 2. So in addition to that this week, we have a folder. It says June 1st to June 7th, Economics. Inside that folder, you'll find 2 assignments. The first one is the Economics Web Quest. Pretty simple instructions. Download it, go to the websites, answer the questions, submit it when it's done. This is what the website, the web quest looks like. I've tested all these websites. They do work. This first really is a lot about taxes, different types of taxes, the capitalist system we have. It's our economic system, so we should know a little bit more about it. So just follow the instructions through. Try to define these words, understand these different types of taxes. One thing I will suggest, just to help you out a little bit, if you're using these websites, and just remember that you have the Control F function to help you find things in the document. So if you're specifically looking for the word exemption, when you open this website, hit Control F, type in exemption, it will highlight exactly in the text where that word is found, and then it narrows down where you need to read to find your answer. You'll type your answers to all the questions here. When it's done, you'll submit it. All right. So there's about 4 or 5 different websites, 36 questions. All right. And so that, in my mind, that would take us probably 2 days. So if you work on this on Monday, skip Tuesday, work on it Wednesday, you have 1 assignment left, and then the article that I mentioned previously. In addition to the web quest, there's one more thing. It's a 25-minute video called Eye of the Storm. Again, download the worksheet with the questions. There's not that many questions. This is the link to the video. It's a YouTube video. I would suggest have the questions up as you are working on the video itself. And then here are the questions. You can highlight these lines and delete them. This would have been if you were writing them out in class. And then you can just answer after the question marks. If you want to highlight your answers or change the color of the text, that would help me out. That'd be great. 11 questions. Video is a little bit older, as you can kind of see right here from the cover itself. But it definitely covers the concept of the Federal Reserve, where all of our money comes from to keep our economy flowing. In today's day and age, with all of this money circulating, you hear about Congress passing trillion-dollar packages and billion-dollars going here and there. How are we able to even do that? And this video will help explain exactly how we go from the concept of printing money or making coins to getting them into people's hands and then the entire exchange and process that goes from there. So it's a shorter video, 25 minutes, 11 questions. That would have been one class period. So that would be all I'm asking you to do for this week. All right. So one article, and then in our folder, you got the two assignments, the web quest and the video with the questions. Submit those back to me, and you are done for the week. All right. All right. As always, if you have questions, send them to me through Remind, or you can send me questions through our Exchange messaging system here through members. Yep. Have a great week. Stay safe. If you need me, let me know. Take care.